Hi guys! Today we will discuss how to verify hosting your domain in Google Search Console. So let's try it. The first thing is head over to your Hostinger, and once you will be there, you will see all your websites which you have in the Hostinger. From these selected which you want to verify, I will select the last one after selecting. Let's navigate to the Google Search Console, and here is the Google Search Console. From here, tap on the option Search Property, and tap on the option Add Property. Once you will click on it, here you will see two options, domain and prefix. Just like I want to verify my domain. So that's why I will paste the domain. After pasting, click on the option Continue. Once you will continue, here you have to do few more things. So you need to add a TXT record. And then you need to copy this address and need to paste it in your Hostinger. So let's move to the Hostinger and tap on the option Manage. After clicking on the option Manage, select option DNS/name servers. Once you will get access, if you have a previous file of TXT in below record, then delete it. After deleting, click on the option Type and select the type TXT. So after writing, we will copy the value from the console. I will move to the console, and here I will tap on the option Copy. And after copying it, I will paste it and will tap on the option Add Record. Now the record has been created successfully. Move to your Google console and click on option Verify and you can see it's verified, and that's it.